Welcome to JH. Your party is the latest political movement to hit the UK, and they've just unveiled their brand new membership portal where you can sign up for activities, discussions, and even elections. Because nothing says future of the nation like a digital portal that looks like it was built in a basement during a power cut. Naturally, the internet is having a field day asking the big question: is this site actually legit? First impressions are everything, but many users are reporting that the site feels more dodgy flea market than serious political powerhouse. It's being described as unprofessional, confusing, and looking like it was thrown together in a frantic weekend. I mean, if you can't manage a CSS style sheet, how exactly are you going to manage the national budget? Even if the party itself is completely above board, the clunky design and missing instructions don't exactly scream, "Trust us with your future." People are understandably hesitant to click that sign-up button when the interface feels this shaky. There's a genuine concern about whether personal data is being handled by a professional or just someone's nephew who knows computers. This has led many to wonder if the organization is actually ready to welcome members at all. It turns out that most people would rather wait for a bit of basic organization before handing over their personal info and hard-earned cash to a site that feels this unfinished. To be fair, the core idea behind your party is actually quite refreshing. They want to shake up the system and make a real impact in local and national elections, which is a bold and noble mission. It's just a shame that their online presence is currently doing all the heavy lifting of convincing people to run in the opposite direction. The membership portal is the real sticking point, featuring a weird web address and a total lack of clarity on GDPR and payment security. Overall, your party might have some great potential, but they've clearly brought a butter knife to a digital gunfight. If they want to gain real traction, they'll need to tighten up security and give the site a professional polish that doesn't trigger everyone's scam alert reflex. So what's your take? Would you take a leap of faith and sign up now? Or are you waiting for them to actually hire a web designer? Thanks for sticking around until the end.